think the most exciting tyre that ever got changed was with actually at Juma in the first year I think that I guided here with one of the great trackers here called Pt.2, who's in himself quite a character, very strong guy, actually of Swazi descent, which is very similar to the Shangans, slightly different, but busy tracking these lions, and then the next thing they were going in stalking kudu, and we heard the whole kill happening very close to us, like 30 meters away, 20 meters, and we at the same time as we heard this kill happening heard the tyre go, but much worse than this, just sort of go flat very quickly, and we changed that tyre in literally a few minutes. One of the guests actually timed it, but then we were too, and the other one wasn't holding a camera, so it was quite quick. Just kidding, Alex. I know you're dying to help. Yeah, all the memories, bush stories. And that's that. Get some of those run flats that some of the cars are coming out with now. Actually looking around every now and again, huh? Make sure one of the big animals aren't sneaking up on us. The well-known fact that lions wait for flat tires and the cars are busy stopping it, not changing it.
Stuck in the wires.
That's almost us. Sunlight coming out as well. Another nice warm humid hot day, just the way we like it out here. Well, that's all done. Oh, looks amazing. Very dramatic horizon there. Guys, we very nearly ready. Just going to tie things up and pack things away. Have a look at the water, I'll quickly enjoy it down there, and we'll see you back in a minute or two. Thanks for joining us for this little do-it-yourself tire change. See you soon.